Admissions are now open at Ajay Tutorial, where we specialize in mathematics and coding for students K-12 and beyond. Welcome to Ajay Tutorial. We are dedicated to building future-ready students through strong conceptual learning. Established in 2019, Ajay Tutorial has quickly become a trusted name in educational excellence. Benefit from our expertise with over 15 years of dedicated teaching experience in mathematics and coding. Our core focus at Ajay Tutorial is on developing critical skills that last a lifetime. Learn about our goals. We focus on building strong conceptual understanding in both mathematics and coding, ensuring deep knowledge, not just rote learning. Our aim is to help students develop logical thinking, robust problem-solving skills, and above all, confidence in mathematics. Ajay Tutorial offers a wide range of courses tailored to meet the needs of various students and educational boards. We provide comprehensive K-12 mathematics programs covering foundational to advanced concepts for all school grades. Enroll in our specialized IB mathematics programs for both MYP and diploma levels, ensuring you master the rigorous curriculum. We offer dedicated preparation for CBSE, ISC, and various state board examinations to help students achieve top scores. Beyond math, we equip students with future-ready skills through our innovative coding and AI programs. Start strong with our Coding and AI Foundation programs, setting the stage for future technological success. Learn Python programming and enhance problem-solving through practical programming challenges. At Ajay Tutorial, we believe the right learning environment is crucial for academic success and personal growth. Benefit from small batches and personalized attention, allowing our experienced teachers to address individual learning needs. Our concept-based learning approach ensures students achieve academic excellence and gain a real, lasting understanding of mathematics. Ready to enroll? Classes are available online and offline in Faridabad. Contact us at 9,211,766,522 to learn more. Ajay Tutorial, where mathematics meets innovation. Secure your child's future today.